Chapter 2.5, Using Spreadsheets. So today we're going to be talking about using a spreadsheet like Excel, but it could be any spreadsheet. Some of you may have experience using an Excel spreadsheet. Some of you might not. That's fine. So we're going to talk about just kind of what a spreadsheet is and how do you get information from it. So your two vocab words for today are spreadsheet and cell. Please take a moment to write those down. This meaning of cell is not the biology cell. It is a location in a spreadsheet. So please make sure you have written both of those down. Okay, example 1, reading a spreadsheet. So when you first open a spreadsheet, you see two columns. We see letters going across the top, A, B, C, D, E. Those go on and on and on. And then we see numbers going down the side. Those also continue on. You can have a spreadsheet as large or as small as you could possibly want. So here in row 1, we see the music type. This is listing in column A. These are all of my kinds of music: rock, pop, rap, country, classical, and jazz. Column B shows disc 1 in its length. So for example, the rock pop disc 1 is 40 minutes long. Row C represents disc 2, row D represents disc 3, and the mean length is in row E. This is blank, this hasn't been calculated yet. So the problem says, the spreadsheet below shows the length of 15 CDs from 5 different categories. Those are your different music types. Identify the value in cell B5 and tell what this number represents. So B5, arrow is already pointing to it. B, you always use the letter first and then the number. So cell B5 is 45. This tells me, what does that represent? The first disc of classical music is 45 minutes long. And of course, your writing will be significantly neater than mine. So that's simply how you read the cell. In example 2, we're going to talk about one of the really nice functions of spreadsheets is that they can do the calculations for you using a formula. Formulas are awesome. So, a computer automatically enters a value in a cell of a spreadsheet when you assign a formula to that cell. A formula is a statement of a mathematical relationship: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. An equal sign tells the computer that an expression is a formula. So example 2. This spreadsheet gives the number of cans that 3 classrooms collected over a period of a 2-week food drive. Write a formula for cell D2 that will find the total number of cans collected by room 105. So here's room 105. They're in row 2. And I need to write a formula to go here. So I know that room 105 collected 389 cans in week 1 and 416 cans in week 2. But I don't want to write 389 plus 416. That's not a formula, that's simply doing the math. So I'm actually going to take those cells. So I have cell B2, and I have cell C2. And I want to add those together. Now, to tell the spreadsheet that this is a formula, I'm going to put an equal sign in front of it. So the formula that would go into cell D2 is the formula equals B2 plus C2. And there's your formula. So in your got it, it wants you to find a formula for cell D5, this one right here. Now, you will notice D2 is the sum of room 105, D3 here is for room 106, and D7 is for room 10, or D4 is for room 107. You want to find the sum of all of those rooms. So, how are you going to do that? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Please complete your QCs and your CYU, and we will go over this the next time I see you.